Welcome back to my channel. So I'm Sandy Lynn, in case you don't know. I'm the owner of Roof, which is the channel. And yeah, if you haven't done so yet, subscribe down below. While you're at it, hit that notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So today, we're gonna be doing a try-on haul from Missguided and Beginning Boutique. Beginning Boutique is an Australian brand. I got my birthday dress from there and I love it, so I got more stuff from them. I'm actually going to Greece in like 3 days, so I got some stuff. I didn't get a lot because I already have a lot of summer clothing from Aritzia and Zara, so I didn't want to get a ton. But I get a lot of like dresses and tops. I don't think I get any. I don't think I got any pants. It's fine, whatever. And I got a bag from a like a China retailer, but yeah, I'll show you that bag as well. So today we're gonna do a try-on haul. I literally just received these bags like 5 minutes ago, after like maybe like 10 minutes ago when I set up everything, and I cannot wait to open these up. Oh my god. And I'm so sorry for these like ratchet nails. I haven't done them yet. I'll do them tomorrow. So let's get into it. I'm gonna open these up. Let's do Missguided first, actually. I'm gonna grab a scissor. Actually no, I never do a scissor anyway. So what am I talking about? Ooh. You know, like when you order stuff and then you just don't remember what you get? This is me right now. So it comes with like a package slip for your return. I actually got rush shipping, so it took around 2 to 3 days for them to get to me. And this is the bikini. Ooh. Okay, let's see what else I got. Oh, I did get a pen. I got a bikini, a set of bikini, a neon shirt, t-shirt, and then a pant from Missguided. So this is the shirt. Ooh, this is really cute. I really love neon lately, so I got this shirt from Zara and it's neon green, and after that I've been obsessed with neon. Okay, I think I'm gonna pair it with this pant that I got from them as well. Oh, I've been wanting this kind of like, I don't know, bike. I don't know how to describe this, but let's see. Like a cargo trouser, that's what it says on here. Yeah, I don't know, I never tried these kind of trousers on, but I'm kind of excited. I love the feeling of it. It's like not those like silky one, it's actually cotton, which I like more because I feel like silky one, it seems too baggy for me, especially when I'm short. I like it when my body is like, I don't know how to explain it, but I like more structured stuff. So let me try these on and I'll show you guys. So guys, this is what outfit 1 looked like. What do you guys think? I had to move the table so you guys can see the full thing. I'm not gonna lie, this pants, like cargo trouser pant thing, is a little too big for me. If you can see, look, I can, like, this is 1 finger, like 2 finger bigger than my actual waist. So I either have to get a tailor or I have to put a belt on it. I think, I don't know. And even the length of this pants is weird. Like, is this how it should be? This is my first time wearing this kind of stuff, so I'm not exactly sure, but I do like the whole outfit. I just don't know how this would look for Greece. You know, it might be too hot, But I really love the top though. Look at the top. So you can be very versatile with this. You can close it all the way up if you want to be, you know, a little modest. And then you can open it up, or you can open it all the way down and then make it a like a small jacket. I love this top. I could pair it with like a simple jeans and then the skirt or something like that. I really like it, but I think I might return this pant. I'm not sure yet. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. But I don't think I'll be bringing this to Greece. Okay, moving on to the second item. On Missguided, I got a bright bikini because I really want, all my bikinis are like dark color, like black or blue. I really want like a bright effect, you know? And I got one from Fashion Nova, and it turns out not super cute. I actually have this exact kind in black, and I really like it. I don't think I am, wait, did it break? Oh no, never mind. It's just a little different, that's why. I don't think I'm gonna wear it because I want to keep it PG, but I will insert a photo of this. How do I even wear this? Actually, wait. Oh, okay, so you go like that, I think. I'm actually not sure. How do you do this thing? Okay, I'll figure it out. Anyway, I'll insert a photo of the model up here somewhere so you guys can see if you like it or not. Because my boyfriend would not be happy if I tried them on camera. And then I got this swimsuit. So this is, oh, it's a little cheeky. But it's okay. I work out a little bit this summer. Lies. Not really. But I'm gonna try them on later, so I know if I like them or not. But yeah, moving on. I'm gonna move on to Beginning Boutique. I really love Beginning Boutique because their shipping is so fast and it's free as well. I was really impressed because it's located in Australia. They must have a warehouse in the US. It definitely does. I'm done for saying that. Wait a second. I'm gonna grab that back. Okay, I'm back with Beginning Boutique. So when I purchased my red dress for my birthday, it came in like 2 days. This one took a little longer because I ordered more items, but it's so fast. It's like 2 or 3 days. Ooh, I got his shoes as well. So it comes, is that it? That's all I ordered? I guess I didn't order a lot. Is this even a haul? Anyway, it's fine. I can call it like what I purchased this week or something like that. Okay, whatever. So it comes in this like dust bag, which I really like because you can use this for something else as well. So what did I order? Oh yes, I ordered this dress. So I am not a dressy girl. Oh, how do I like? But I really want some dress this summer, so it's not like that. It actually closes up like that, and then you tie it over here. I'll try it on later for you guys. I just want to show you all what I got first. Okay, I'm kind of on like a red roll because all the stuff that I got from Beginning Boutique is red. What the hell is happening here? Oh, over here. Oh, this is gonna be a cute one. So you know this like kind of off-shoulder one, like cute. I don't know, I'm so excited to try this one on. Okay, ooh, okay. And then I got this dress, like this is so nice. This is really nice. I was gonna rub it on my face, but I don't want to get my makeup all over it. It's like a silky feeling, but it's not like silky. It's not, I don't know, and inside there's like an actual lining, so it's like thick but silky. I don't know how to describe it, but I love the feeling of it. Look at this. You'll have to iron it though, and it has a little slit, I think. It doesn't, never mind. Oh, it does, okay. Yeah, it does have a little slit on the front, so I'll try them on for you guys as well. And then I have my shoes here. I saw so many people wearing this kind of shoes on Instagram this summer, and I just feel like I just need the shoes, you know? And I'm not a very big shoe purchase person. I don't have a lot of shoes, and I wear the same shoes all the time. So I was like, you know what? Let's get a shoes. And this new, look at this new shoes. I swear, my allergy is so bad ever since I go back to Taiwan. Ooh, wait. Oh, okay. Let's see. I'm sorry guys, I have a little OCD. I have to like pack everything when I open everything up. Look at the shoes. Guys, oh. Look at how pretty it is. And it's not super high, so, cleavage, where I don't have cleavage. It's really cute. Look at the side, and then you can like tie it, not tie it, it has like a little strap thing over there, and then the front look like that. I really like it. I think I'm gonna have a very good use out of this. And then there's a little padding over here, so I figure it might be easier for you to walk in. I don't know. I'll try them on later. So I'll try the dress on, the slip-on dress first. Actually, no. Yeah, I'll try that one first, actually. Yeah. See you later. Okay guys, so I dressed this one down a little. I pair it with the sneakers. I really love this dress. It feels so good on me. And I feel like this is such a versatile dress. You can dress it down with a sneaker. You can dress it up with the high heel if you were going somewhere with like a gold, you know, belt, like chain belt. It looks so cute. Hey, I'm filming over here. Okay. Yeah, and this feels really nice. You cannot touch it, but like it honestly feels really good, and it's silky on the outside and it's thick on the inside, if you know what I'm saying. And the slit over here give you an extra length on your leg, if you know what I'm saying. And I'm sorry that you have to see my scarred legs because I'm very allergic to a lot of like weather and stuff like that, so I stretch a lot. Overall, I love this dress, and I love the neckline because sometimes this is too low and you know, all the boobies can be hanging out, but this is perfect. And it doesn't even have, oh it does have an adjustable strap. That's great, so you can adjust that. I didn't have to, so it's great. Oh my god guys, I love this dress. Like, everyone that knows me knows that this is so not my style. I never wear dresses, let alone like these like flowy stuff. And polka dot, what the hell? This polka dot though, it gives me life, you know? I feel like this is such a Greek, you know, island vibe where you walk through Santorini, people dress like this, I don't know. And I love how this one, it gives you a waist, you know? If you don't have a waist, it will give you the illusion that you have waist. And the feeling of this dress, at first I was kind of on the fence about it. It feels kind of cheap, you know, it looks see-through at first, but then when you dress, like put it on, it feels really nice. It's suited for Greece, honestly, because Greece is gonna be super hot, like 100 Fahrenheit or something like that. So this is definitely gonna be perfect. Well, I think I like this one more than the black dress. What do you guys think? Comment down below. So I paired this red top with the boyfriend jeans and the high heel that I just got. Sorry, my phone's going off. Yeah, and this high heel is really nice. The only thing that I don't like is that when I come near, this back thing keeps slipping off, and then I have to like keep adjusting it. It's kind of annoying. But the top though, I really like. The material is kind of see-through, so you do have to be careful what kind of bra you wear underneath. I wore the Missguided swimsuit, so it's actually pretty nice. You can wear this as like a beach cover up or anything like that, and pair with like your shorts, sneakers, or a slipper, and then you're ready to go with a tote bag. It's super cute. I love it. It's genuinely super cute. Okay, I have the last thing I want to show you guys, which is my bag that I got, and then I'm gonna go grab it and show you guys. Hey guys, so I got this super cute, like vintage-like bag, and it's super cute. I wanted this so long. I saw a lot of people that has it on Instagram, and then I just feel like it would look really cute with like a vintage clothes. And then it's just like an underneath bag, you know? And storage space is pretty nice in here. There's not a lot, there's no compartment inside. If you see, it's just like a huge compartment, one compartment. I got this from a seller in China. It's 30 bucks. Super cute. So I saw this bag on By Far, which is a contemporary bag seller, and they're selling it for like $500. I was like, no, this is probably gonna be like a trend thing. Once the 90s and 80s trend go on, it's not gonna be in anymore. So I don't want to spend $500 in those kind of bag. So I got a cheaper one, and honestly, I feel like I'm very happy with it, and I'm going to use it a lot, so yeah. Anyway, if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment which outfit that you like the best. I love everything from Beginning Boutique, honestly. The Missguided, the only thing I'm going to send back is the pants, and that's it. But I'm definitely going to shop at Beginning Boutique again, and this is not a sponsor because, come on, I don't have a lot of subscribers, so yeah. That's it. I hope you guys like it, and bye!